In today's video, we're going to be talking about fashion mistakes that you're probably making and how you can fix those mistakes. And just to let you know, I'm not here to tell you you're dressing bad. I'm just here to help you look even better and develop a wardrobe that promotes your social and public image without having to break the bank. You see what I did there? So number one is you're buying too many trendy pieces and not focusing on your wardrobe staples. I feel like when it comes to trends, we tend to overdo trends to the point where, like, when it's time for you to get dressed, you don't know what to wear that is wearable to wherever you're going to. I was one of those people that made a lot of those mistakes. I used to overload my closet with so many trends to the point where, like, when it's time for me to go to a certain occasion, I dress like I'm going to a fashion show. And it's like, girl, that occasion does not need all that, okay? You don't need to do all that. So like I tell my clients all the time, it's great to hop on trends. Trends is just one of those trains that tell you what's hot this season. There are some doable items that you can also buy that are wearable to whatever occasion that you're going to. But you also have to pay attention to what your closet needs and not what your closet wants. And number two is you don't have a wardrobe capsule, girl. You need a wardrobe capsule. You can't be hopping on trends all the time. We need you to have a wardrobe capsule. Basically, look in your closet. I have a checklist. If you sign up to my email list, it's for free. It tells you all the things that you need in your closet, versatile items, okay? A wardrobe capsule is basically the foundation to your closet, which ties up to number one. It ties up to number one when it comes to buying too many trending pieces without looking at the things that you actually need that are wearable to any environment. When you're rushing somewhere, you want to look put together. You have those foundations to help you build an outfit without having to try. My go-to look is usually a nice white t-shirt and a black blazer and some fitted jeans. Build that foundation first before hopping into trends. And number three is you're not paying attention to your body shape. Girl, you gotta know your body shape before you start developing your personal style. Okay, when it comes to body shape, a lot of people tend to overlook this, which is why when you wear something, it doesn't look good on you, but it looks good on somebody else. It's important for you to know your body shape. That way, when you do wear something, you know what works for you and what doesn't work for you. I like to look at body shape as your hair porosity. Knowing your hair porosity actually helps you from buying products that doesn't work for your hair. Same thing with your body shape. Knowing your body shape will actually help you from buying clothes that doesn't work for your body. So when you know your body shape, you actually understand your body shape. It gives you an idea on what type of items look good on you. Just go on Google and type in body shapes. Okay. How to find my body shapes, the things that I need to know about my body shape, what to wear with a certain body shape. Google is your friend. Okay, Google is your friend. And the next one is too many oversized items don't look good on you. So we have to understand the importance of balance. Balance is what makes your outfits. Balance is what gets you to look put together. Balance is what helps you look chic without having to try. For an example, I used to be a fan of oversized items and I never understood the importance of balance. My mom used to tell me this all the time. When you wear oversized item, you look bigger than what you appear to be, especially after I gained weight. I can't wear, baggy clothes because it will make me look bigger than what I appear to be. So a way for you to wear oversized items by having balance is going for whatever it is that's oversized, play with something that's fitted with it. For an example, if I want to wear an oversized dress, I would definitely have a belt that would cinch my waist to, give me the figure that I'm looking for without having to make me look like I'm double the weight than what I am, If I'm wearing an oversized blazer, I wouldn't wear an oversized blazer with over baggy, pants. I will wear an oversized blazer with tailor pants. Straight leg jeans that are fitted. I will wear an oversized blazer with skinny jeans, leggings. things that helps with my body shape, and also it just plays with proportion, if I'm making sense. Balance is very important. Playing with proportion is really important. Knowing your body shape and what fits for you is important as well. But when you actually implement balance into your everyday looks, I promise you, you will look good with anything you put on, okay? The next one is tailoring, okay? When it comes to looking good and also looking put together, tailoring your clothes is very important. If you have that item that's just draining, that's eating up your feet, I highly recommend you to go get them tailored to a more wearable look. I love wide leg pants, but there are certain wide leg pants, when I do wear them, it makes me look a bit too big. So I normally take my wide leg items to my tailor, and he makes it do what it do, baby, and tailor those wide leg pants according to my body shape and how fitted I want them to be on me. Tailoring always helps. So my next tip is you're buying without revamping. And I've dealt with clients that, they want me to help them with their personal style. They hire me as their stylist, and when we go inside their closet, it's like you have clothes from the 99 2000, girl. Where you put all this? So when it comes to buying, I highly recommend people to revamp their closet, meaning take away the things that you don't need in that closet. The things that are worn out, the things that are no longer wearable for the season, take them out of that closet. So definitely revamp. I revamp my closet almost every year. I look into my closet and I either sell or donate things on my I either sell on my social media or I donate to a thrift store near me. And I know that if I'm not thinking about this certain item, I don't need it. Every time you buy something, take that old pair out, or you're just going to be living under clutter, and that's not cute. Alright, so my next one is buying for special occasion only, and you're not focusing on versatile pieces that will help you to look good without having to try. Okay, so definitely get into the habits of buying versatile pieces that you can wear to work, pieces that you can wear to brunch with your friends, pieces that you can wear to meet a fiance's parent, pieces that are wearable to any occasion. So things that are just, when you switch them, you don't have to think about what to wear. It helps you a lot. So when you buy outfits for only occasions and your closet is only special occasions only, and you don't wear those outfits after those special occasion occurs, I don't know what to tell you, but toss them out and stop that behavior. Okay. The next mistake that I feel like people tend to make a lot of is not preparing their outfit the night before. Okay. I was born into a family that made me prepare my outfits the night before I woke up for school, and it just became a habit. Preparing your outfit the night before is a must, and I feel like it's a lot better than just thinking about what you want to wear. That way, when you do wear it, you know if it's still wearable, if it's still worth the style, or if it looks good together. And if you have to tweak anything, you have time to do that because you prepared your outfit the night before. Lastly is wearing the wrong color combination. Listen, if you're new to color, it's okay, but it's important for you to understand this. Okay, you must know what color goes with what. Okay, looking at the color wheel is very important. And I know there are some people that are very into neutrals and you're trying to get into colors, but you don't want to, look too much. You have to understand what color goes well with your skin tone. You have to also understand what color looks good with what. So yeah, the wrong color combination could definitely have you looking a hot mess. You will either look washed out, or you look too dark, or you would just look crazy if you don't know how to put those colors together. I'm wearing colors right now. So me wearing monochromatic, it might be too much on camera, but I promise you it's a little bit calmer off camera. At least I think so. But another way you can style this blazer is, if I look at the color wheel, I know that pink and red goes really well together. I know that pink and green go well together. I know pink and blue go well together. I know pink and white goes really well together. And those type of colors look good if you combine them with the right colors. Wait, those type of colors look good when you combine them together. Having an idea on what goes with what would definitely help you out in the long run. Whoo, child, I talked a lot. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and talking about fashion. Hopefully everything that I mentioned in this video helps you out and you actually put them in practice, because if you do this, people will be looking at you different. They're gonna say you glowing, but really you just understood the importance of your clothes, you know, how to wear your clothes. Perfect grammar. I will see y'all in my next one. All right, bye.